All right, it's time for puppy pop. So remember, we're gonna pop out that first sound. Sullivan's gonna say the word, and I will say the first sound along with you at home. But wait, not just the first sound, we're gonna do the first sound cluster. So all of these words are L blends. So if the word is glad, instead of me saying G, I'm gonna go goal. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, puppy pop. Go for it, Sullivan.
Glad.
Ghoul.
Glad. Class.
Cool.
Block.
Bull.
Flick.
Say it again.
Flick.
Fool.
Plant.
Pull.
Slip.
Soul.
Blend.
Bull.
Clap.
Cool.
Flop.
Fool.
Glass.
Goal. How'd we do? Oh yeah.